Okay, so today we're going to talk about related conditionals. This is how you would be able to change around conditional statements. The first one we're going to talk about is converse. The converse of a conditional statement is formed by interchanging the hypothesis and the conclusion of the original statement. So conditional would be, your original conditional statement would be if the space shuttle is launched, then a cloud of smoke will appear. Okay, so what you're going to do when you are doing the converse is you're going to switch. You're going to switch these two around. So you're going to interchange them. So you would say the converse statement would be if a cloud of smoke appears, then the space shuttle was launched. Okay, so let's now talk about the inverse. The inverse of a conditional statement is formed by negating the hypothesis and the conclusion of their original statement. So you're basically just saying just the opposite of everything. So let's give an example. So if you grew up in Alaska, then you have seen, you would have seen snow. You have seen snow. Okay, so the inverse of this would be if you did not grow up in Alaska. Then you have not seen snow. Okay, so basically just making both of those, just saying not. So if you grew up in Alaska, then you have seen snow, and then the inverse of that would be if you did not grow up in Alaska, then you have not seen snow. Okay. On the contrapositive, this means the contrapositive is formed by negating both the hypothesis and the conclusion, and then interchanging the negations. So the first conditional statement would be, the original would be if 10 is an even number, then 10 is divisible by 2. Okay. So the contrapositive of that is if you would make both of them negative, negating them, so making them not, and then switching, interchanging them. So if 10 is not divisible by 2, then 10 is not an even number. Okay. Okay, I know the screen was messed up, so I hope that this helps, and I hope you have a good night.